Hey YouTube, and we are back. You see these wigs? Yes, I have two. I was only supposed to do one, but yeah, we're revamping them, okay? I'm doing both at the same time because I really do not know which wig I want to use. I'm indecisive. But we are doing a little hack of mine. I'm making these full lace wigs into half wigs with the headband, half wigs, whatever you want to call them. So I'm using the Flawless washing products, of course, because it is their month that I'm using their products. They smell good. I had to do it. You know how like wigs and weaves sometimes has that smell to them. Like it don't matter how clean it is, doesn't matter if you soak it or whatever. It always has that little smell. So I need to put these products on there because they smelled good. But yeah, I just go in, wash, rinse, condition with that 3-minute restoring conditioner. Y'all, this wig smells so good afterwards. I actually did decide to use this wig, and I'm so glad I washed it first because this is the wig that I actually decided to use. But yeah, so go in there with the conditioner. After that, I go in with the 5 Butter Miracle Mask just to, put some more smell into it because I do really like the smell. And also just for it to sit and kind of soften up. I said soften up. Kind of soften up a little bit. But while that one is actually conditioning in my favorite, all-time favorite, Kroger bag. Y'all know I had to bring the Kroger bag out because why not? But yeah, while that's conditioning in the Kroger bag, I'll actually work on the other one and do the same thing that I did with that one. So that is my process. So I'm not even gonna lie to you guys. I put the other wig in the Kroger bag and probably left it in there for like 2 days. But now I'm going to actually rinse off this wig and just prepare it for when I put it on. I'm really not preparing it because this go-to style is literally simple. So really I just rinse it off thoroughly and put it on a towel to air dry while I actually prep my real hair. So that is all for that part, and let's get into the slicky slick part that everybody wants to see, of course. So yeah, keep watching. Okay, now finally for the fun part. So I bought some headbands. This cheetah print one. This cute one. What is this called? Then I actually bought like a pink and black wrap, a black headband, and a little rainbow looking one. Today I'm going with cheetah. It's my favorite. So now we're about to get into this wig. Add a little extra water. I'm gonna keep the curl pattern, of course. So I'm gonna go in with the defining curl cream. Sorry, y'all. I'm acting like I can't see. And just put a little bit, because this is real thick. Put a little bit on it. I love the smell of these products. Like, I absolutely love the smell. Okay. I just needed a little bit. No, I didn't just do it for the smell, I promise. Now I'm gonna go with my dimmer brush and just brush it all the way through. And now for the fun and easy part. The part does not matter. Actually, the part does matter. I'm tripping. I'm gonna comb the part out. Now I'm about to go in. That right there. Put the clips in. And for extra protection, since I am putting it back, go in with my bobby pins. Don't be so quick to walk away. The reason why I didn't put it so far back is because since it's not a half wig, it can slip back. So be cautious of that. Put a couple more bobby pins at the bottom. Okay. Once I feel like it is secure, go in with my headband, the cheetah print one, of course. This is like the easiest go-to thing to do ever. The headband on. Make sure everything is covered. That does not look like my hair. And now I'm gonna just go in, let this air dry, and I'll be right back.
So much that I wanna do. It's starting to become so clear to me. Tomorrow
and easy. I got fused it because I have somewhere to go and I forgot about that, so I couldn't air dry it. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. Make sure you like, make sure you comment, make sure you subscribe, and be sure to come back because of course I have a lot of new hacks to show you guys and a lot of more dope videos. So thank you guys for watching.